Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Here comes the Judge, and little Maxwell too, my grandson. We have a nut and bolt body off frame restored Pontiac Historical documented 69 GTO Judge, Ram Air 3 motor, 4-speed trans, 355 safety track rear, and it's fresh and it's nice. Go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures. You'll find price tags along with a monthly finance option on every one of the cars we have for sale if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. And right now, Maxwell, let's go for a spin. Yep, this is how we do it. We get him started early. He's 5th generation, so we have a lot of family here. I just purchased this car and it's fresh. California car, the floors are just immaculate. I mean, they're smooth like a chalkboard. The seams are crisp, the rockers, the braces, fantastic. It doesn't get any better from what I could see. The entire chassis is the same way. The frame, the control arms, all the metal, the rear end, it's not pitted. It's all nice, smooth, clean metal. It has the ride and handling package, which means it has sway bars front and back and boxed rear control arms. The entire suspension's been rebuilt. Ball joints, bushings, springs, upgraded KYB gas shocks, completely redone. The brakes are completely new. It's disc in front. I mean, the caliper, the backing plates, the hoses, the lines, all of it's redone. E-brake assembly. The fuel system's all new. The tank, the sending unit, the straps, the lines. Reproduction, correct exhaust system. The full dual exhaust going all the way out the back. We talked about this in one of our previous GTO videos. GTO had a smaller muffler and a bigger muffler. I don't know why GTO is different than Chevelles and 442s, but I've only seen it on GTOs. I still don't understand why. But this has 2 different size mufflers. Don't think that that's wrong. That is actually correct. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless. The starter, the motor mounts, the fuel pump, all that looks new. Are you pushing the car? Yeah. The 4-speed is the correct Muncie 4-speed. It's dated and coded proper for this car. The drive shaft is all rebuilt, and it does have the correct, I forget the 2 letters on the rear end, but it is the correct 355 safety track, which is Pontiac's way of saying it's a posi. So underneath is spick and span, and we got a lot of nice good stuff. So the body is excellent. It's painted Verdoro green. That's its original color, no vinyl top. The roof is straight, no issues. This is all fantastic. All of this is straight, fits nice, it's wonderful. Down along the bottom, smooth, no rust. The Judges all come with the rear spoiler. The trunk lid itself. I'm looking for bubbles, damage, bodywork. This is all real nice. All real nice and clean. This edge is really nice and clean. The lines are nice. The door fits beautifully. No issues. Straight, no door dents. Whole bunch of fingerprints here. Wonder if Max had anything to do with that. So the body is really excellent. It's pretty tight right here. We should look at that. It's really tight. It's just about touching the fender, and the paint's a little touched up right there. The hood fits really square. The rubber bumper's in really nice shape. Here's a scratch in the paint that's been touched up. The rubber bumper's real nice, not cracked, not damaged, not nicked or beat up. Correct T3 headlights. The grills look new, all the trim, everything up front looks really nice. Now these are functional on the Judge. They do open up. There's a lever inside that lets the fresh air, ram air in. Of course, they all have the Judge stripe, and the decals and the GTO emblems are new. And where's the trim rings? No, nobody stole them. The Judge did not come with trim rings, so just a Rally 2 wheel. This has the right lug nuts, center caps, and even has reproduction tires, but they're pretty cool. They're the wide oval Firestone. They look like the original, but these are the new radial version of the old style tire. Original antenna. Windshield's nice and clear. All the stainless trim is real nice. Door handles new. Rocker molding looks new. Little GTO emblems. Back bumper's real nice. Little bit of pitting on the tail lights, so they're probably original. So the outside of the car looks great. Let's open it up, see what's inside. I didn't really talk about the paint. I brought up a couple of flaws, but the metal flake is laid out evenly, and it's got a really nice, smooth, clear coat finish on it. So beautiful paint job. Under the trunk lid and the jamb are painted just as glossy as the outside. New sticker, new cadmium plated bolts, new weather strip, very nice. The trunk compartment is all really nice, clean metal with a very nice, neat spatter finish. Has a mat, has a looks like a reproduction jack assembly in the box there. No spare tire though. The wiring looks like it's new in the car. The wiring harness was replaced. So the door jambs are really slick. The bottom of the doors are clean. The latches were out when it was painted. The weather strips are replaced. Door panel is all replaced and fits real nice and straight. Nice armrest. Window crank looks new. The dash pad. This is a professionally redone dash pad. It's not a plastic cap. It's in wonderful condition. It has the rally gauges. Has the tachometer. Those were optional. Heater control panel looks new. The wood grain, all the bezels. And this is a retro stereo. It's actually a digital stereo. It fits right in there. Looks original. Glove box liner looks new. The vents are new. These things never want to close right for me. Kick panel, the levers, all that's real nice. Console looks new. Now the Judge had the T handle on the Hurst shifter. I forgot to mention all new Hurst linkage, the clutch, all that's been replaced. Steering wheel's real nice. Now the seats, they've been rebuilt, recushioned, reupholstered, new headrests. The backs of the seat, all the trim, everything's redone. Back seat, the side panels, seat belts, all that's in really nice shape. The mesh speaker tray in back. Headliners replaced, dome light works, the mirror, the visors, all that's been replaced. So it has a really nice interior. Carpets replaced. Yeah, door jambs are really slick. Sill plates are new. This is a really well-detailed, the factory condition motor compartment. It's the Ram Air 3. It is functional. The air is forced into the air cleaner here, and then, of course, into the motor. Motor is all rebuilt. All the components, the alternator, the carburetor, the original choke setup, everything's there. The heat riser tube. Power brakes with a cadmium plated booster, all new wiper motor, the squirters are hooked up, the rechromed valve covers, has power steering, Delco battery topper with the spring clamp cables, reproduction hoses and clamps, the right shroud, here's the washer bottle, has the Ram Air exhaust manifolds, they're shaped a little different, so. And the heads, I'm just noticing they're dated 1969, so that's correct. So very, very nice, detailed, restored engine compartment. So there you have it, the Judge. This isn't the first time I've stood before a judge, the car that is. Fresh, body off frame, 4-speed, Pontiac Historical documented, beautiful car, special car, priced very fairly too. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this car. Talk to the salesman, they'll help you with your questions. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance this car at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.